XYLD is the Global XSP 500 Covered Call ETF. It launched on the 24th day of June in the year 2013. The fund invests in the stocks of the SP 500 and writes covered call options on that same index to generate monthly income. How XYLD works. Each month, XYLD sells a one-month call option on the SP 500 index, typically at or near the money. The ETF keeps the premium. That cash becomes part of the income it distributes. If the index remains below the strike price, XYLD retains the premium. If the index goes above, the option may be exercised, and XYLD keeps the premium but sells exposure beyond that level. This helps generate consistent income at the cost of capping gains, assets, and costs. As of late June 2025, XYLD manages around $3.03 billion in assets under management. It trades roughly 900,000 shares daily, reflecting high liquidity. Its expense ratio is 0.6% annually. Income and yield. Over the trailing 12 months, XYLD paid approximately $5.11 per share in distributions, yielding about 13.2% based on its NAV. Morningstar and other sources show a dividend yield around 12.1%. This yield combines option premiums and stock dividends. Performance history. 1-year total return is around 9.1% compared to 9.8% for the SP 500 Buy Right Index. Over the past 5 years, the annualized return is approximately 11.3% compared to 12.1% for the index risk and volatility. XYLD's volatility is lower than that of the SP 500 alone, with a beta near 0.5 and standard deviation around 9.4%. This reflects reduced swings thanks to income cushioning. Holdings. XYLD holds over 500 stocks in broad SP 500 coverage. Its top 10 holdings represent about 37% of assets, including major tech names like Microsoft, Nvidia, and Apple trade-offs. Upside is capped during bull markets due to sold calls. Falling markets still cause losses, though premiums help soften drops. Distributions are taxed as ordinary income, and total payouts may exceed fund income, meaning return of capital components are likely. My meter rating. Income, 5 out of 5. Monthly income with a 13% yield is excellent. Growth potential, 2 out of 5. Significant upside is capped in rising markets. Volatility reduction, 4 out of 5. Lower beta and smoother ride, though downside still possible. Tax efficiency, 2 out of 5. Mostly ordinary income and possible return of capital, best in tax-advantaged accounts. Simplicity, 5 out of 5. Easy to trade like a normal ETF and understand the income strategy. Total score, 3.6 out of 5. Is XYLD right for you? Choose XYLD if you seek high monthly income with broad SP exposure and can accept capped gains and ordinary income taxation. It's best held in an IRA or similar. If you prefer full upside or qualified dividends, a traditional SP index fund might be better.